Dream, are you alright? Are you alright, son? Yeah. We need to go see your dad. Let's go see your dad.
Meanwhile, at the father's house.
One second. Alright, what's going on? Alright, it's not my day today, it's weekend.
Pretend it's today.
Nah, I've got things to do.
I've got things to do.
Listen, I come from on a weekend.
Weekend?
Yeah, I get him on a weekend.
So well, it's weekend. It's weekend today. It's got something to tell you. It's got something. Take a deep breath. It's got something. So I've got 10 million things to do. Alright, do you wanna explain to your dad why we're here?
What's going on, big man?
Basically, Mum found something in my room.
Microphones.
What, Teddy? What place that? What jigsaw? What did she find?
She found a knife.
Give it to him.
A knife.
A knife? Why have you got a knife?
Eliza gave it to me.
What do you mean? Give it to you for what? To do what? Are you cooking?
She said it's for self-defense.
From who?
Yo, that's it, you. She's self-defense. It was carrying it for you.
For me?
Yes.
Why would he carry it for me?
Because that's all I know. That's all I know.
What do you mean that's all you know?
You carry
no,
his
big
knife.
man, what do you mean?
He's not a big man. You carry his knife. You didn't have a
Listen, I can't take this noise. I can't take this noise.
It's not noise. It's not noise. It's facts.
Listen, big man, who give you the knife?
Eliza.
Well, come, we're going around there now, innit? Come, let's go. We're going around there.
And meanwhile, at Eliza's house, just down the road.
Come on.
Knock.
Hi.
Oh, yes.
Yo, where's your daughter? Call your daughter.
What do you mean, yo?
Call your daughter. I beg you, call your daughter, please.
Hang on, let's just take this in the house, okay? Not leave it on the doorstep. Just take a seat.
Cool.
Right,
Sit
okay,
down,
take
sit
a
down.
seat.
Go on, sit there.
So, what are you come here today for?
Where's your daughter? Call your daughter now. We need your daughter here to talk.
You want my daughter?
We need to talk to your daughter now.
No, I need to talk to her daughter.
We need to talk to your daughter now, please.
Okay, let me just call Liza.
All right.
Liza!
Just calm down.
Well, tell me to calm down.
Calm down!
My son's got a knife.
A knife!
Downstairs.
And you had a great path as well.
Tell me to calm down.
Was your life
Listen,
perfect?
it's not about
was
me.
your life
It's not
perfect?
about
Your
me.
life was not perfect with you.
Look,
Only put one day.
round. So go on, big man, tell her. What happened?
Basically,
He's not a big man as a child.
Eliza gave me a knife.
For what?
She told me it's for self-defense.
From who?
You.
So, Liza, did you give him a knife?
She gave me a knife.
So, he's making it all up?
Yeah.
So, you
Well,
brought your...
why would he call your name? Why would he say you?
I don't know, ask him.
Well, he must know. Big man,
He doesn't have to
I
know.
could have
He
said
don't have
anyone
to know.
but you, but I said you.
And why was that?
Because she is the one that gave me the knife.
There we
She's
go.
still denying it.
So, how are we going to deal with this?
So she's the one that gave you the knife, so there's no responsibility there. She gave you the knife, but you're not going to accept responsibility. Just like your dad, you're not going to,
But wait there, is it your care? Is it your care? And the knife got found in your care in his room?
And you're not his father. I forgot. You.
Liza, just go to your room.
I'm not going anywhere.
I said go up to your room!
Right, so how are we going to deal with this? What are we going to do?
Do you know what? I don't know, because I didn't know anything about this until you just come to my front door.
Yeah, but now you know, so what are you going to do?
I think what...
I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to wipe my fingerprints off the knife. See you later.
So,
I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to call the police.
No.
Meanwhile, upstairs in the bedroom, Eliza's bedroom.
Why are you gassing me out for?
I'm not questioning you out. You're the one that gave me the knife.
I didn't give you any knife.
Stop denying it.
I'm not denying anything.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
You told me it was for self-defense.
What self-defense?
Self-defense from other people.
Like who?
People that will carry other knives, want to hurt people.
I don't know the person who wants to hurt anybody else.
Except you.
Okay, let's leave it. Let's give him a round of applause. Thank you very much. Oh wow! So we just made that up on the spot. We just thought about it and we just made it up. In give them another round of applause. They did an amazing job. So we've got this problem here. How do we solve this? What is to solve here? What are the issues going on? What you just saw there?
101.
Well, just name me one or two of them. Parenting. What else if it's not parenting? Peer pressure. What else? A knife, a broken family, broken father.
I see the number one problem here is communication.
Communication. Yes, sir. Responsibility on everybody.
Effective communication, I should have said.
Everyone's responsible for their children. So there's no blame here, no? There's no blame here. I don't know, just ruling it out. There's no blame now, yes? Can we start with that? What does mean? Parents. Who thinks the parents are to blame? Let's just get straight into it. We've got one, we've got two, we've got three, four, we got five there for parents. Going once, twice, we've got five people. Who thinks parents are not to blame? Hands up.
No.
Nobody thinks the parents are not to blame. No. Okay, what about the children? Are they to blame?
Yes.
No.
Tell us why, sir.
Because the parents should instill confidence in their children to come and talk to them about things. And if the children have to do things separately and talk to each other and threaten each other, that's not good parenting.